dia YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will be doing a wash and go on the lovely Camden. Say hi, Cam.
Hello.
So yeah, I just washed her hair. Let them see your hair close up. Move in, move in, move in. This is Camden's hair. I just washed it, so it's starting to dry out a little bit. So I will be doing a wash and go on her hair, and the styling products that I will be using is just Miel Organics curl smoothie, the pomegranate and honey, and also the honey and ginger styling gel from Miel Organics. And then I'm going to be diffusing her hair, and that's about it. I'm not doing anything more. I don't want to put too many products in her hair. So yeah, right now I'm just going to spritz her hair down with water because it's getting a little bit dry and puffy. And then I'll section it out, put the product in her hair, and then I'll diffuse her hair. So let's get started. Side is done. So now we just got this section left, and then we're going to diffuse her hair. don't know if you guys could see really where the angle was of the camera, but I just finished re-moisturizing her hair with some water, and then I put the product in there, the what is it? The curl smoothie and the gel from My Organics. So this is what her hair looks like now. Turn around. That's what her hair looks like. And now we are going to diffuse. Curly Cam. Hey, 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 hey. Y'all can't see her, but she's really rapping. Hey, hey. You like your hair?
Yeah.
So this is the final result of Cam's wash and go. Turn to the back. Turn to the front, and that's about it. These are the results using Maya Organics Curl Smoothie and their ginger and honey gel. And I used a little bit of the mint oil to finish her hair off and scrunch it. And that's about it. Hope you guys liked this video on Cam's first wash and go on YouTube. Hey, hey, Dad. Wait, hi, Dad. Hey, Daddy. Yay, yay. Hey. That's it for today's video, you guys.
Share with family and friends.
Share with your family and friends.
Subscribe to my mom's channel.
Subscribe to my channel because we're lit.
Give this a big thumbs up.
Give this video a thumbs up.
And I hope you like this, my first wash and go video.
If y'all want to see some more wash and goes with different products, let us know. You know, Curly Cam. We Curly Cam this year. 2020 is Curly Cam.
curly Cam.
I want to get her a curly cut for the summertime because she might be curly Cam all summer, but you never know because Cam always want styles done in her hair. But that's about it for today's video. See you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.